So now, please, I would like to say something. This issue, we started by saying the government, they are not doing what the masses expected, and we are all complaining. Despite that, people are saying, some people are saying no money, no money, no money. People are throwing party. Listen, some people, they spend their last card to make themselves happy. that party that party where you see them they throw, no be say it's just to make them happy.
Happy.
Some people, they are doing birthday not because they have millions in their account, they just want to do something to belong. Do you understand? So listen, we are not castigating anybody
At
for
all.
doing what they love doing, because if you are a living being, you should make yourself happy.
Happy.
If you make yourself happy, you will not be looking outside and feel depressed inside.
At all.
So when people say there's no money, yes, economy is not flowing like it's supposed to flow. Let's take that fact and accept the fact, right? But what I want to hear from you, do you think it is advisable? Yes, anybody can do whatever they want, but do you think it's advisable in this present economy of Nigeria today for new young man or woman to say they have been dating for 3, 4, 5 years? This is the time to go into fully, how do you say it, marriage.
Maybe they should go into their fully they should go into their marital life.
Yes,
They want to change their status.
yes, and they want to start having.
Yeah.
See, for me, it's always in my mind that, because I look at what is happening to me, I say, if I have opportunity to advise anybody, I will tell them, please don't get married now. I'm telling you the truth.
They play.
Hmm.
They play. There's this Yoruba adage that they used to say that ṣé a máa torí pé oko wọn àní bímọ ni.
Me, I don't lock up.
And na you be that na wetin they say, one another man food is another man poison. Yes now, okay, you wey you dey talk now, you born pikin reach 7. People wey born pikin reach 7 or 8, wetin you want make dem talk? But let me say something. I will not say, nobody will say that because of the economy you don't want to settle down, because of the situation of the country you don't want to move forward, or because of the situation of the country you want to remain stagnant. No. If the country wants to change and you decide to want to be in one spot, is you. That is why I used to tell people that in everything in life, make sure you love yourself first. It's what you have that you can give somebody.
That's true.
If you don't love yourself first, you cannot love anybody.
That's true.
So make yourself the first priority, in the sense that you is you that can make you. Is when you are fine that you can talk to somebody and tell the person that
It
it's
looks
what
good.
you have that you can give somebody.
Yes.
When you are not happy, how do you want to advise somebody
You can't
to
even
be
make
happy?
another. Yes. I think I get that.
So is you is you cannot say that okay, like some couples now, before they decide that they want to tie the knot and they want to walk down the aisle, maybe they have told themselves that no, it's one boy, one girl that we want, just 2 kids. I don't love children. I don't like anybody disturbing me and my husband. All those kind of ladies now, they now told their husband, it's just one boy and one girl. The husband, problem, your wish is my command. This man now with ego, and No problem, my darling. Your wish is my command. I'll just be like, bros, you dey do Mr. Nice Guy now. But as time goes on, God come pass you. The first one wey you shoot, bam, God come give you twins, come be two boys. The lady will now be like, no, I no go gree o. It's only boys. Won't I have a lady that will look like me? Who can do this? Okay.
I used to think like that.
You now want to try again that, okay, let me try my luck. Maybe I will have a girl since I have two boys already. God can't give you again, can't give you two boys again.
We dey see am.
When you can't get two boys again, wetin you wan help God drag? You will not be like, let's not look at the angle of the people that in their lineage they always have boy as their firstborn. Grandfather boy, great grand boy, father boy, father boy. When e now got to their child's own, the 5th generation, that one now gave birth to woman. Problem come start between husband and wife. That one come say, in our family, we used to have our firstborn used to be a boy. Shey no be wetin you put for him body na him give you. So you can decide to plan your life that I want to settle down at so age. If God wants to tell you that you cannot program your life, and the one that own the program of your life, you decide that at 25 I want to settle down, at 27 I want to have my first child, at 32 max I'm done conceiving. I just want to. If God tell you say na 35 years you go born your first child, nothing wey you wan God drag. Ṣé o fẹ́ pẹ̀lú ọ̀hún sí court ni? Ta ló fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ dá? So everything in life, you first commit your life into God's hand. Tell God, you are the author and finisher of my life. Just make my life peaceful for me. Make my life meaningful for me. So when you tell God to order your step, you are as well telling God, Baba Malo, I dey behind you. Na anywhere wey you tell me say make I go, na here I go go. So whether economy or no economy, what will be will be. Kill Sarah. I'm always hearing that. What will be. So it's not until some people are in America and they are still complaining of their economy. Some people are in Canada and you that are in Nigeria, you are living far better than them. So it's not about the economy. I can't tell anybody that no, I'm not advising you to get married in this economy. What if the person gets married and the person turns to be a millionaire?
I think I should
and
just
the person
be
will now
careful
tell
the
you
kind
that
of advice you give out.
ṣebí Mr. B ló sọ fún mi pé kí n má ṣe kinní kan tó bá jẹ́ pé mi ò gbọ́. You understand?
This is a
if
very
I
good point.
follow the person's they will not tag you what is not your own.
O ti gba
orúkọ
witchcraft.
Straight up.
Wọ́n fẹ́ ká ṣe oríire.
Before you know it, àwọn bad kinní kan,
wọ́n fẹ́ ká
àwọn
ṣe
bad
oríire.
belle.
So basically, when we are talking about economy, it should be something different. We shouldn't even tag it.
You can't tag economy with God's program. It's different. You need to. Some people are working with heavenly connection. It's not about the economy. At least we are complaining kò sówó. Àwọn kan ra Ferrari lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
That's true.
I know of someone that inside her compound she parked like 12 Rolls Royce there. She's going to Canada like she's going to Yanopaja. So is the way God has programmed everybody's life is different. All of us will not be rich. I used to tell people, some people will just be, irú èèyàn wo ni wọ̀nyí? I will tell you, gbogbo wa kọ́ la máa lówó, gbogbo wa kọ́ la máa kọ́lé, gbogbo wa kọ́ la máa ra mọ́tò. Some people do not have car. Uber ló ń gbé káàkiri, and it's not like they cannot afford to buy a car. So it's not all of us that will have children. Some people did not give birth at all, and wọ́n rọ́mọ ránṣẹ́.
Yes. They adopt and they have children.
Some do not even adopt. But because they are good, they have plenty children that wants to run errands for them. They have plenty people that wants to carry their name.
They don't even feel that they don't have.
They don't even have that time to think where I mean they bímọ. So this life, you need to understand God's plan for your life. So economy or no economy, what will be.
So when you are complaining about economy, you should understand that we just want basic thing for everybody, not because an individual or everybody must be billionaire or be this thing. What is important in good economy is to have free education.
Yes.
Basic
needs should be met.
And good roads.
When every thing is in order, and it's not everything that God will
free
do.
Environment.
Corruption ò sí. I watched one
movie. We still need to continue to say
I watched one movie. Even abroad, there is corruption. It's not only in Nigeria.
But we need to minimize it. It's too.
The thing there is, when me I'm good, you are good, this one is good, like that. Oh mama, and it will flow everywhere, and you will know that no, if I do this thing, if Mr. C catch me,
everybody will give themselves
no. Ti di gan bari, kò ní gbà. You know, when we emulate good deed, when we emulate being
responsible for whatever,
when we are responsible, our integrity is top notch, our perseverance is on point, you know, and we are contented with whatever we have. There will not be a problem.
Thank you so much, man. You ended this area of this conversation well, and I think I want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to seeing you some other time. So that's the end of the show for today. I want to say big thanks to our special guest. You have heard her talking, saying so much thing. She made this place wonderful. She made this podcast excellent. I want to say thanks to her, and we'll be bringing her on the studio, bringing her more to have conversation with her. And I'd like to say thank you once again to her, and let's have a final wish. This is a new year for people. Just say something to people.
Well, I want to wish us all a happy new year once again, and I wish us a prosperous, a stress-free year, because everybody is complaining of stress. More busy, more do. I wish you all a prosperous new year, a stress-free new year, a life flowing with milk and honey, because our country is a country flowing with milk and honey. So our lives too will flow with milk and honey. No casualty, no form of any accident, whether home or outside. I wish us all the best in whatever we lay our hands upon. Thank you. I love you all.
Remember to tell them to subscribe, like, and follow
Subscribe and like, and also follow us. Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody and another person to like and follow us. And don't forget, You can also come out to let your voice be heard with this platform. In case you are looking for the best platform to broadcast, to advertise, to talk about yourself, or you have ideas to share, you can always reach us. God bless you.
Thank you so much, everybody. That's the wrap up for today. We'll be coming your way again very, very soon. Watch out. Bye.